Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to make money online in 2022. So are you in search of ways to make money online to supplement your primary income, or do you want to work on your own terms and go online full time because you are tired of the 9 to 5 grind? You are not the only one. I get asked these questions a lot. How do I make money on the side or earn a living online? Whatever your reason may be, the good news is that there are many reliable techniques to start making money in 2022. Let's explore in details some of the best ways of earning income in the internet. So 35 ways to start making money online. First, starting a blog, building a niche website, starting a YouTube channel, starting a podcast and dropshipping business, selling print on demand products. And 7, becoming an influencer on Instagram, uh, selling online course, publishing and selling books, freelancing, become a writer on Medium, creating on app, online grade sales, flipping goods online, flipping sports card, testing website and apps, try Amazon mechanical truck, buy Amazon return pallets and sell them, take surveys for cash, sell your photos or digital art, sell your handicraft and etc. Become a translator, make money as a gamer, teach, buy and sell custom domains, tutoring online, selling your music online, become a virtual assistant, online stock trading, get paid for hacking, become a mystery shopper, sell consulting service, play online poker, tournaments, get into crypto trading, crypto and sell NFTs, try play to earn crypto games. A quick primer for making money online. The on demand or gig economy is flourishing, allowing people to uh, pursue their passions and also be their own boss. There are no quick and easy ways to get rich. However, many people enjoying that independence. In fact, many experts will tell you that traditional employment is died as we know it. You can easily find freelance, flexible, or temporary jobs online and work from home. If you are more enterprising, it's possible to start your own online business with minimal investment or even for free and make a living from it. There are many ways for everyone to earn and still enjoy freedom from a predetermined schedule and on the overbearing boss. You do not even have to be tech survey to do it. So this was a little bit review of this website. If you are interested in our content, please do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thanks for watching.